Hello everybody, Kristjan from Hyde Motorworks here. Today I'll be showing you some of the new additions we've made to the P2 Supercharger on our Harbinger kit. So if we flip the unit over, you can see here we've added a new pulley which allows the use of 6 PK belts, just your average Serpentine belts that you can find at any hardware store or any automotive store. We also offer different belts on our website. We also have here the pulley guard, which has been redesigned to allow for thicker belts. The housing has been opened up so that belts can now be larger, different angles coming out. Now if I show you the components, here's the old housing. As you can see here, it's quite narrow where the belt comes out. It's a 3-bolt pattern, which is fine, but for our new design, we've opted for a 5-bolt pattern just on the one side. We've opened up that angle to 180 degrees. This means that belts, a wider range of belts can fit. It uses the exact same design with the press fit bearing. As you can see here, they're almost identical. The only difference is that we've really opened up that angle and we've added the 2 extra bolts there. But besides that, you can see the units are quite similar. This is just the prototype, but these will be available soon on hydemotorworks.com. If you see here too, here's our new pulley design. It's pressed on to the internal shaft on the actual head unit itself on the P2. So this presses over the existing shaft. It uses all the same hardware, and this can be installed within a matter of minutes with a bearing press or something similar. You can see there's the pattern. It's 6 PK, so it allows for a wider range of belts, more commonly found in the automotive industry. And yeah, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think. Have a great day.